everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Valentine's Day stitch and angel surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Valentine stitch and angel, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to start by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. Next, I'm going to turn my paper this way, and I'm going to open it up like this for a fun surprise. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin by making a heart. So we're going to begin by making the top. I'll start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve up and down, and then I'll make another shape that's going to curve up and down here. Now underneath the fold, we're going to make a big V shape. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to bring it to here. Now our next step is we want to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our heart. We have the top and we have the bottom. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come up on each side. And then I'm just going to make a line that's going to curve across here to connect it. Now right here I want to make stitch. So I'm going to begin by making a big circle shape for the nose. Then let's go ahead and put two little hook shapes on each side for his little nostrils. Next, I'm going to make the eyes. So starting here, let's go ahead and make a big oval shape for one eye. And then over here, I'm going to make a little winky eye. So I'm going to curve this down and then back. Then inside of this eye, let's go ahead and draw a little circle. Now for the mouth, let's draw a line that's going to curve up, and then it's going to curve down like this in a smile. And then we'll make another line like this that goes down and up for the smile. Let's put some rounded teeth in here, kind of like making little V's. And then we can do little triangles on the bottom here. Then a curved line for the tongue. Now for the head, let's begin by drawing a line that's going to curve up. Let's put a couple little points, and then we'll curve this down. Next, I'm going to bring this in, and I'm going to bring this in. Now, for the ears, let's begin by drawing a line that's going to curve up and then down a little bit. We'll make a little notch, and then we're going to curve this in. Then we'll make a little line here. Over here, let's do the same thing. Let's bring this line up, and we'll bring it down a little bit farther. We'll make a little notch and then curve it in. Then let's go ahead and make this line down. Over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out for the arm. Then I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, and 4 bumps on it, and bring it back to the heart. Then over here, we're just going to bring this line down with a little line here. Next, I'm going to curve a line down, and I'm going to curve a line down here. Then I'm going to bring this over here, and I'll bring this over here. Then I'll put a couple of lines up here for the nose. And then we're going to put a little circle here with some little claws on the end. And then finally we're going to do a line here and a little line here. Now, over here, let's draw Angel. So let's begin with the nose. We're just going to make a curved, kind of circular shape for the nose. And then we'll do a little hook shape and a little hook shape, just like what we did for Stitch. I'm going to make a circle shape for the eye. And then we'll put a little circle inside here. And then we're just going to add a little line that's going to curve out and come back for the eyelash. Over here, we're just going to make a line that's going to come up and down. And a little line that's going to come out and back for the eyelash. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and up, and then back down like this. We'll make a little smile face, like that. And then we'll put a little curved line for the tongue. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to jump over the eyelash, and it's going to come right to here and back down. Then I'm going to curve this line in, and I'm going to curve this line in. We're going to make a line that comes down on each side. And then we're going to make a little line that's going to curve over to kind of shape out the eyes. Right here, let's bring this line up and then down for the ear. And same thing here, up and then down for the ear. Let's curve down, and we're going to curve down. Then, starting here, let's bring this line down here to kind of make the arm. Then I'm going to make 1, 2, and then 3 little curves here for her hand. And then we're going to curve it to here. We'll do that same thing here. Let's curve a line down and bring this line here. Then we'll add 1 and then 2 little lines. And we can curve this down. Let's put a little line underneath the mouth. And then we got to make our antennas. So let's begin by drawing a line that's going to curve up and down. And another one that's going to curve up and down. Then we'll do one here. We're going to curve up and down. And a second one, curve up and down. Then we're going to bring this down and around here. And we're going to make this one kind of jump over here and come back. Then right here, what we need to do is I'm going to draw this line down and this line down. I'm going to curve this line across. And then let's put like a skinny oval shape right in here underneath that little fold, just so it kind of looks like the heart can go together. And then you can always finish this off by leaving it like this, or you can add some different little hearts in here. I'm just going to put a few hearts, just kind of finish it off. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Stitch and Angel surprise fold. We have it all folded up. We have a fun little heart. And then when we open it, we've got them popping out. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.